In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message an editor on Waze. If you need to contact the person who worked on a place or landmark in Waze, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, go to Waze and open the live map or editor view. Once the map has loaded, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the tools and options you need to interact with map elements. From there, click on the pencil icon. This usually represents editing or viewing editable map details, and it's the starting point for accessing more information about places on the map. After selecting the pencil icon, move your cursor over the map area. Hovering around the map allows you to identify the specific place or landmark you want to inspect. Take a second here to make sure you're choosing the correct location, especially if several places are close together. Next, click on the place or landmark. This will open its details panel, where Waze displays information connected to that location. The details panel is important because it gives you access to metadata about the place, including who last edited it or which editor is associated with it. Once the details panel is open, look through the information shown there. You should be able to find the editor's name listed within that panel. When you see the editor's name, click on it. Clicking the editor's name will open a new tab. In that new tab, you'll be taken to the editor's profile page. This is where you can access more profile-related actions. Look around the page for the message button. Depending on your screen size or layout, you may need to scan the profile area carefully, but it should be visible as one of the available options. When you find the message button, click on it. This will open the messaging interface connected to that editor's profile. At that point, you can type in your message. Keep your note clear and respectful, especially if you're asking about a map update, a correction, or a location detail. A short, specific message usually works best since it helps the editor understand exactly what you need. And that's it. You've successfully found and messaged an editor on Waze. If you're following these steps in real time, just move slowly through each screen and make sure the correct place and profile are selected before sending your message.